Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Asana for freelance workflow management, full guide step by step clearly. Start by creating an account on Asana, if you haven't done so already. Once logged in, click on the New Project button located in the top right corner of your dashboard. Choose a blank project or select one of the available templates suited for freelance work. Give your project a meaningful name that reflects its purpose and add a brief description for clarity. Next, set your project view to either list or board format, depending on which you find more intuitive for your workflow. Add tasks to the project by clicking on the Add Task button. For each task, specify the task name, and add any necessary details that describe what needs to be done. Assign each task to yourself or relevant team members to ensure accountability. Set due dates for each task to help keep your workflow on track. Consider creating sections within your project to categorize tasks by phases, such as planning, execution, and review. Utilize Asana's subtask feature for larger tasks that require multiple steps, allowing for better organization. Incorporate custom fields to capture essential details like priority level, client name, or payment status. Integrate Asana with tools you frequently use, like Google Drive or Slack, for seamless collaboration and file management. Regularly check the My Tasks section to stay updated on your workload and deadlines. Use the search function to quickly locate tasks or projects when needed. To monitor your progress, utilize the timeline or calendar views to visualize your deadlines and task completions. Encourage communication by using task comments to provide updates or ask questions directly within Asana. Set up recurring tasks for ongoing activities, such as monthly reports or regular check-ins with clients. Review your project weekly to assess completed tasks and adjust priorities as needed. Lastly, continuously refine your Asana setup based on your evolving freelance workflow to optimize productivity. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmations. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.